Hey everyone, this is Finding Value. I wanted to share a company. It's called Encore Energy. It's a uranium mining company. Someone left a comment about this team, and they were exactly right with their comment after doing a little bit of research. So this company, the CEO and a lot of the team behind this company was previously a different company during the old uranium boom that got sold out. And I think Uranium One's the company that bought them. So I wanted to do a very high level approach to this company. You guys can do more research on your own. The CEO is Bill Sheriff. He's actually on the board of Ely Gold Royalties, which I like. It's kind of a huge coincidence. But there's some things I want to go over. I'm going to read kind of about them. So it's a uranium developer and explorer focused on advancing its portfolio of ISR, the in situ recovery, and conventional assets in the United States. The company is led by a team of uranium experts with a proven ability to build value within the domestic uranium sector. The Encore team was instrumental in advancing Energy Metals Corp. To compile the largest domestic uranium base in U.S. history before the company was acquired for $1.8 billion during the last major uranium bull market. So Encore Energy holds 100% interest. It's got 115,000 plus acres, private mineral rights in New Mexico, including the large Crown Point and Host of Butte uranium deposits. A portion of these resources are under NRC license. Additionally, the company also holds a Marquez and Tree Line project in New Mexico, as well as a number of other properties in Utah, Arizona, and Wyoming, along with a leading position in the high-grade Northern Arizona Strip District. Here's the ISR process. Basically, there's an injection well and a recovery well. They shoot water in, goes up the recovery well, and it goes to a processing plant. So I'd like to go over the investor highlights. There's a lot of things I like about this company and its investor highlights. So it's led by a team with a proven ability to build value within the domestic uranium sector. They already did it once. They're probably set up to do it again. Bill, I guess, has a very good understanding of all of the projects out there, especially in the United States. So he is a great one to have on your team, and he knows what projects are good and bad. And obviously, he's going to choose some very good projects to develop. Key properties are all 100% owned and highlighted by the Crown Point and Host of Butte deposits. Crown Point and Host of Butte are large ISR deposits with over 30 million pounds of uranium mineralization. That's a pretty good chunk. New acquisitions have expanded the portfolio to include conventional projects with high-grade potential. And this one, I like this very, very much. Insiders and management own over 35% of the company and are committed to increasing shareholder value. They have a stake. If I'm going to have a stake, they better have a stake too. I think this company is excellent, and everyone should be looking into Encore. ENCUF is the ticker symbol. I listened to a couple of interviews on YouTube with Bill Sheriff. The guy seems pretty awesome, at least from my first kind of impression from him. It sounds like he's not interested in diluting shares, which I absolutely hate as a shareholder. With the 35% shareholder, or with the 35% insider and management ownership, I highly doubt they're going to be diluting themselves. It looks like they have a bunch of other lines of credit if they want to draw on it. So I think this company is one that everyone should look into. Look at the presentations on the Encore Energy website. I didn't want to go too in depth, and I think it looks pretty good. Let's take a quick look at the stock chart. The stock of it, little chart of it. ENCUF, again, is the ticker symbol. And what I'm seeing, I'm just going to blow this up for you guys a little bit larger, is there's a nice kind of pattern down here. It's right on the bottom of that pattern. And then there's another top pattern here. The thing that's good about this is we've got some big ups, big up days, and then the small little down days, which means I think it's just covering this little gap here. We're filling this gap in. Now, the uranium sector as a whole doesn't look too good. I just went over a presentation about nickel. A lot of those companies don't look that great. So we've got some kind of sellers here on some big days. Perhaps this thing heads lower. No one has a crystal ball, but get it on your radar, get it on your watch list, ENCUF, and I think this is going to be a good one to pick up. So I'm going to be looking for it. I'll probably pick some shares up, and I'll be holding them for the long haul. This is Finding Value. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. I'm still looking at trying to find companies for you guys. I know there's a lot of interest out there, so I'm trying my best. Leave some comments. I love seeing comments. It really motivates me to get you guys this information as quickly as possible. Thank you.